Hey, it's your boy Yuli from Valor Defense Depot, Southwest Oklahoma's premier gun shop. And today I am with Victor at ZEV, and we know ZEV is known for quality products, innovative products, and ZEV has something very innovative in his hand, and I'd just love to hear about it.
Hey guys, this is the ZEV Magpul FDP. Magpul came out with this concept 15, 20 years ago, something crazy like that. They finally got with us, we made it real. We're launching this end of Q1, MSRP $16.99 for the whole package. Not a chassis, complete firearm. 2 mags in a box, ready to rock. Quick demo. This is folded in the folded configuration. Quick deploy. Mag stays locked. It can run up to a 33 round mag folded.
Oh, wow.
Yep. That same part I just dropped doubles as your charging handle. Charge it. Slide release and manual safety are on the side. And then you lock it up quick with 1, 2, and you're back home.
Sweet. Now, so you have a Acro P2 on here. Will this
Yes,
rail
sir.
accept any sort of optic? Or?
So from the factory, this is going to come with a polymer carry handle.
Okay.
That one's not milled for an optic, but we're doing a lot of aftermarket support. So this is an aluminum carry handle. Right now we have Acro, and we also offer, ZEV also offers DPP, RMR, and 509T cuts. I'd expect we'll put all those on the handle at some point. Also looking for threaded barrels, and then I'm sure some folks might come out with some quick detach accessories for it in the future as well.
Looks like it also has some backup iron sights just kind of molded or
yes, sir.
already in
So
the
these
top
dovetail right on, and then the polymer ones are molded directly in with controls on the side for adjustment.
All right, awesome. Sounds like you thought of everything with this one. Nice and compact.
Almost, yeah.
And almost everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And next we have another gun here, don't we?
Yeah. Good. So this is ZEV's newest line of rifles. If you guys are familiar with Mega Arms, a lot of that is spiritually still with us. Old Mega fans are going to see a lot of stuff that they recognize. We got Gator grips, flares, and this is essentially a version of the old Mega Monolithics.
Okay.
So we call this the MML, Mega M-Lock, but we're keeping it around, even though it's under the ZEV name. This is essentially a billet-upper receiver with an integrated snout, and then we put the handguard directly over that.
Wow.
So we found this gets you much less deflection when you're shooting from brace positions, running heavy shit on top. This is just kind of what we found is the best solution for everyday use and duty use. We'll still do high-speed competition guns, but we thought for the everyman rifle, the duty rifle, this is the right answer.
Yeah, and that looks like a very solid lockup between the receiver
Absolutely.
and
We are renowned for that. These things are tight. We stone fit all our sets, so they're solid, man. Little fun thing that we've added is a one-piece ambi bolt catch and release. So up and down, and that's one piece on the other side. If you're trained with paddle, you can still use your paddle, it's there. And if you don't have one, it's just gonna leave an empty slot. You can drop mil-spec right in and you're good to go.
Sweet. So another perfect design where ZEV has thought of everything.
This time we got a few reps in. I think this one's pretty damn good.
Yeah, very solid looking. Come on down to Valor Defense Depot where we can hook you up with all of your favorite ZEV products. If you like this content, please be sure to like and subscribe so we can get you more content just like this.